Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.